This means reading quietly the entire bunch of words and their respective definitions in an entire page first, so that your photographic memory can work at its best. This step means reading everything again that needs to be memorized as you say them out loud, word by word. In this way, you can easily remember all the important information as you hear them. After reading, the next step is trying to analyze each detail or information with its corresponding description or definition. And then, a certain word or phrase must be linked to each, especially for the terms that are a bit difficult to pronounce and spell. This step requires much effort because you need to force yourself to recall all the information that you read or studied in your mind without peeking in your notes. You need to stay focused as you do this step, and you need to allot much time until you mastered everything. This step is pretty self-explanatory, but it must be done again to check if you accurately recalled everything from what you read earlier. And this is also a way for you to absorb all the information for one last time. In this step, you must get your pen and paper to write down every single information that you need to master, may it be in enumeration form, word in its description form, or in summarized form. This step is in preparation for your actual quiz or test. Step number 7 is optional, but this is also helpful for the effective mastery of information. The use of index cards is basically writing down the definition at the front part of the card and the corresponding word at the back part, so that as you randomly pick a card, you can read the description and guess for the right answer, just like in an actual quiz or test. If you want to do this in a technological way, you can use the Quizlet app. I already explained how the app works in my study tips video, so you can check that out.